Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, right now I came on live for respond on the one incident. Two sons and a woman killed in accident in Bongir district. Friends, the three members of the family, including a woman, the trio were died by the accident. Friends, actually the native is the Timmapur. The trio, the mother and two sons, they were went to the Bongir city for the purchasing of the groceries. When they were completed their work, after then they returned from the city by the auto rickshaw. When they are traveling that time, on that time the who was the truck driver, he was coming opposite direction, and he was hit to the auto rickshaw. Then after, who were inside the auto, the woman and two sons, the elder son, his name was a Donkena Suresh, and who was the younger one, the Naresh, and their mother name the Ketamma, 60-year-old, and they both were 32-year-old and 30-year-old sons. Who was the Naresh, he was died on the spot, and the remained mother and younger one, they were shifted to the government hospital. Actually, where that accident occurred means the outskirts of the Vadaparthi in Bongir Mandal of the Yadadri Bongir district on the Monday evening that occurred, that accident was happened. Friends, when that undergoing treatment time, who was the elder one, the Suresh, he was died. He was succumbed, and he was died. Then after, who was the remain, the Ketamma, she was shifting to the city hospital Hyderabad. When the while the shifting time, she was died, and the trio were died. This one of the very sad news to me, especially when I knew about that incident. Really, my heart was broken, and I get the shock about the that accident. Where is the problem? Who is the accused person? Why that happened? Especially here, one thing, who was coming opposite direction, the truck fellow, they don't know how to drive, what is the directions, what is the rules and regulations, what is the law of the driving, they don't know. That's why such like incident and occurrence registering and reviling in society day to day, that one increasing, that we have been continuing, but there is no cops. Not only this one, but also similar incident also was occurred. The both brothers were died. They were also traveling by the auto rickshaw. That also one truck was hit them. Then after, on the spot, they two brothers were died. That came from the Hyderabad city. Not only those, but also many accidents and incidents occurring and registering, but there is no responsibility, there is no any care of the public and people. The police officials and the cops, they were said to us, especially the carelessness and recklessness and the irresponsibility of the drivers, those happening, those registering, like that they said to us. But I am sending the one message to the government, who are the concerned officials, who are the concerned authorities, should be take the responsibility and should be give the security to the public and people. Who are the drivers, those per should be hold the awareness program and how to drive, how much control we have to take, and how much responsibility, how much care they have to take on the driving. Those were should be give the counseling and guidance and the awareness program. And who are doing and who are behaving the carelessness, recklessness, those for should be take the strict and stringent action and should be cancel their license. Otherwise another one also take the advantage. If you are losing them, another one also take that one is a advantage. That's why should be won't repeat for, should be take the action on them. This is my humble request. And I am once again I am expressing my regret and I am extending my condolence to bereaved family members and who are died. Really I am very sad. That's why government also should be take the responsibility and should be give the counseling and guidance, and what is the directions, what is the rules, and regulation, and what is the law, should be give them, should be taught them. Otherwise such kind of accident have been continued, won't repeat for, try it. This is my humble request. Thank you everyone. JB.